Now that you've opened a can of worms sa BIR for a particular scheme, and you and I, and most of Filipinos have been in business for a long time, we all know may mga ibang modus that we have experienced one time or another, and may fear din tayo kasi baka ma-retaliatean tayo. But are you going to now look at the other schemes? We all know yung permit, minsan iipit nila yan kung walang pamerienda or wala pang, yan ang term nila eh. So, titignan nyo po ba lahat?
Marami talagang enterprising sa gobyerno eh. There are a lot, there are a lot of laws already, policies that somehow they really get to find loopholes and napaiikutan talaga nila ito yung mga missing papers, yung mga missing requirements, no? Yung papabalik-balikan ka. So marami talaga modus, no? And I'm hoping that the new economic managers, the new team of the Department of Finance, BIR, could come up with safeguards and clear-cut policy on this LFA. We support revenue-generating measures or programs. But wag naman sanang abusuhin that we are already killing our businessmen, lalo na yung mga small and medium scale. Di bali yung malalaki, they have their law firms, no, to deal with the BIR.
Right.
But the small and medium scale enterprises, sometimes the sad thing, Diego, Angel, I just received, I was tagged in a Facebook page na she was assessed 10 million, she ended up paying 7 million, and she ended up selling all that she has para lang hindi siya makulong, no, and build her business. So we really have to support small businesses, no, instead of harassing them to the point of closing, kasi these are the lifeblood of our economy as well.